Morning. Hey. I'm just showing you around the truck. This is where it's parked last night since we came back, so. Wow. Back in this baby. All of our original belongings are in it. This must have been Ryan's. He always eats those kind of Pringles. Sour cream and onion flavored. And I usually eat some other flavor. Well, my dad usually eats some other flavor as well. I bet pretty quick he's gonna be moving this bad boy soon enough. It's kind of dirty though. Well, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you real quick. Just truck as it was parked last night, still in place, hasn't been moved. Anyway, remember to like, subscribe, and share the videos always, and if it's possible, if you guys can, at least leave a comment on what you guys think. So, see you guys later.